All right, we got us here today, a 1999 Chevrolet 3500. This is a new racing rig. Welcome to Crispin Garage. All right, y'all, we picked this old dually up here pretty cheap, and she's gonna be the new race car pulling rig. You may have seen it in the background already, but hadn't talked about it, so I'm just gonna let y'all go ahead and just kind of soak it in. All right, you got brand new tires on the front, new paint. She's a dually flavor, fellers. Old girl's in pretty decent shape. 148,000 miles. The interior is kind of bad. The old dash is all but disintegrated, but door kindly don't shut too good. But I ain't never had me a project truck before, so we're gonna make a little project out of this, and I reckon this will be maybe a little mini series. We'll bring y'all along some of the stuff we're gonna do to it. But tonight I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna put some new tail lights in her. These right here faded out, and I just don't really like the way they look. So we're gonna go ahead and change them, and I'll show y'all what we bought to replace them with, and bring y'all along. Alright, this is what we're working with here. These are the new tail lights. These are the Eagle Eyes. The old Taiwan Eagle Eyes. Yep. They're probably worse than the ones that's already in here, but we're gonna roll with it. That is a fine looking unit right there. Check that out. The best I can figure, there's a couple screws. That one's already missing, so she's kind of just in there dangling. We'll get that one out. What was that that fell off? John Brown. Maybe we didn't need it. Let me get y'all in here. That's all you got. It's just that one plug. Screws down. Some kind of barcode in there. Wonder what that tells you mostly. It looks to me like we're gonna have to take this assembly here off and mount it on here. Let me go ahead and get that done. I'm gonna get y'all back in here. All right, what we're working with here, you want to make sure that your gasketry seals up on this edge here real good and you don't kink it up. Get her seated down in there. Put your screws back in it. Go ahead and lose as many of them as you can. I like to go ahead and tighten this up until you hear plastic popping. kind of like so. This screw right here was already missing. It's got these nice clips in here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna ease up in the shop and see if I can find another one that screws, and I'll put that together. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this one put together. I'm gonna go ahead and do the one on the passenger side over there, and I'll get y'all in here so y'all can see the final results. But it's really pretty simple. Like I said, just go ahead and pull this plug off. These screws go in one here, and then it seats up in there, and you can tell this truck's been repainted. But we'll get her plugged back in and hooked back up. All right, y'all, I'm gonna get y'all in here so y'all can see this before and after. It's crazy how much better it looks. See, that's your aftermarket style right there. I really don't like the way that looks. Some people are into it. I'm not really into it so much. I'm not knocking people that like it. I'm not knocking the style or anything, but I think the OEM looks way better. Check that out. There's your after, before. Let's get this other one changed, and I'll get y'all in here for a final look. All right, we got her finished, got her all put back together. I'll get y'all in here and get y'all a shot of it, see what it looks like. I think it looks awesome. Check that out. Way better than before. I mean, it completely changes the way the back of the truck looks. Well, that's it for episode 1 of the dually. Appreciate y'all watching. I think one of the next projects we're going to be doing to this truck is going to be headlights, grill. We'll be videoing on that for you, and hope y'all enjoy. Appreciate y'all watching. Have a good day.